Open ELMS AI is one of the most exciting new tools on the market right now, and if you're looking to get ahead of the curve with AI, this software is something you need to know about. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you should know about Open ELMS AI so you can make an informed decision before jumping in. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this is the right AI software for you or your business. First, let's dive right into what Open ELMS AI is. It's an all-in-one platform designed to streamline and optimize learning management systems with powerful AI features. Whether you're running a large-scale organization or a smaller business, it allows you to automate many of the tasks that traditionally require a lot of human effort. From training employees to managing educational content, Open ELMS AI leverages the latest in AI technology to take care of all the repetitive stuff, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. One of the standout features of Open ELMS AI is its adaptability. This software doesn't just serve one type of user, it's customizable. Whether you're using it for employee training, customer education, or compliance, the AI automatically adjusts the platform to suit your needs. It learns your preferences and adapts as you go. That level of customization is huge, and it really sets Open ELMS AI apart from other tools in this space. Another reason you should consider Open ELMS AI is the seamless integration. It easily integrates with existing tools and platforms that you're already using. Whether it's your CRM, LMS, or any other platform, this AI software helps you streamline your workflows without disrupting your current systems. You're not going to waste time relearning how to use software or dealing with complicated setups. It just works, and that's key for businesses looking to scale quickly and efficiently. Now let's talk about how Open ELMS AI enhances learning experiences. Unlike traditional LMS tools, this AI doesn't just deliver static content, it's interactive, and it uses real-time data to personalize learning experiences for individual users. For example, if a learner is struggling with a specific topic, the AI can recognize that and recommend additional resources to help them. This creates a more engaging and effective learning environment, making sure everyone gets the most out of their time. For businesses, Open ELMS AI is also a game changer in terms of performance tracking and reporting. The AI analyzes data to give you actionable insights on employee or learner performance. You can track progress, identify knowledge gaps, and even receive suggestions on how to improve training effectiveness. This level of insight helps businesses make data-driven decisions and improve the overall quality of their training programs. One thing that really impressed me about Open ELMS AI is how user-friendly it is. The platform is intuitive, even if you're not an AI expert. Its interface is clean and it's easy to navigate. That's important because when you're working with AI, you don't want to be overwhelmed by complexity. Open ELMS AI takes care of that for you, ensuring that anyone can get started right away without a steep learning curve. As for cost, Open ELMS AI offers a competitive pricing structure. It's scalable, so whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, you only pay for what you need. Plus, you can try this software for free through the link in the description below. You've got nothing to lose by giving it a go, and you might find it's exactly what you need to level up your business operations. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that I've reviewed thousands of AI tools over the years, and Open ELMS AI is definitely one I'm keeping an eye on. If you're interested in other top AI software options, check out the links in the description for my recommended tools. Many of them come with free trials, so you can experiment and find the best fit for your needs. In conclusion, Open ELMS AI offers a powerful combination of customization, seamless integration, performance tracking, and ease of use, making it a top contender for anyone looking to optimize their learning management systems with AI. Give it a try today and see how it can transform your approach to learning and business operations.